Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Okay. You're good. All right, baby. Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. Your boy was up here, been having some disruptions today, but we should be relatively good now. I had to download, updated, what's it called, Replicanto. Let me make sure I got the right one. I think it's this one. Let's download just to make sure. Alright. Cool beans. Close that. What's up, Mikey? Good morning. I am trying to get my stuff dialed in real quick before the market opens here today. I have not even looked at the market today whatsoever, except right now. Crazy. I will say that because, man, that market absolutely pumped from yesterday through that night session all the way up there to 488.
On my on one of my sim accounts at $3,000.
Woo! It's monies. We'll definitely take that.
I've been having intermittent things where it was shut off. There was a second one that was $745, but the timeline or the thing stopped, and then it like gave me 40. So I don't know if like one of the brokerage things are just kind of like crapping out in the middle of the night or what.
Yeah.
It's pissing me off.
Let me do this real quick. Import NinjaScript add-on. This may make me have to reset. Hopefully not. If it does, I'll probably just do this after. Trying to get this copy trader dialed in real quick, boys. There we go. Open. Yes, it's trusted. Already existing. Would you like to replace? Yes. The questions this thing asks you is like, are you sure? Are you sure you want to update? Are you sure you want to replace that one? Yes, I'm sure. We're trying to make some money today.
Well, that kind of is that with a mandatory thing, or you're kind of getting that buggy stuff you're hoping to fix?
So what it was, I thought that I bought the like lifetime, but I didn't. I bought the year.
Oh, okay.
So since I only did the year, it hit me with the time to renew this morning.
That's like right as you're about to trade. Like when I was about to trade last night, there's a commuter update. I'm like, no. You know what I mean? It's like, stop it.
All right, I just shut that off, logging back in here now, and then I'll have my screen back up for y'all.
I'll believe it when I see it.
You'll believe it when you see it.
But D-Rock, if there's people, I won't take no space. I just want to shake your hand, and that's it. You know, I'm kind of shy, so I'll have to
Yes, authorized. You are not shy, Steve. I don't know who you lying to. You ain't lying to me, sir. You're not lying to me, bro.
Morning, guys.
Good morning, Mr.
Good
G.
morning.
Cool. We're logging in to everything once again, so we should be good now. Hopefully, we're gonna find out here in a minute. All right, tools. No. Flow bots. Yeah, I got the Replicanto now. It's a beautiful thing.
It sounds like some like new Disney movie. Disney proudly presents Replicanto.
All right.
Like some Aztec thing or something.
Let me just.
And they're all singing.
Oh, this is so agginess. I had to come back in here and put all my stuff in for my different tabs I had.
Well, did you upgrade to lifetime now?
I did. All right. I'm just setting up my copy trader, boy. Sorry for the delay this morning. Your boy, Replicanto, is trying to get all this dialed in before we trade. All right. Bam. And I have so many accounts, I had to like be very cautious to make sure I only select the right ones because I put them in groups.
Just early in the morning.
All right.
Like when you got all the Bentleys and the Rolls, like how do I decide?
That's the whole thing. You don't decide. All right, we're good now. Ooh, let's drop that. I don't know why that was on 4 contracts. That would have been bad. Well, all right, we're officially dialed in now. We're officially dialed. Did anyone make any money last night? All right, so we are currently below the VWAP. VWAP's currently sitting at 428. 428 for the VWAP. We got 415.25 for the 21 EMA there. Let's look for some pivot points. We got a pivot up there at 513.25. Crazy. Close from yesterday. 359.50. 359.50. We were playing around that 100 level yesterday, and we came all the way up here. So crazy. Pivot point below us would be 223.50. 223.50 there. And let me mark this chart up. This is kind of like mind-boggling to me, to be honest, with how we pumped. If you're trading later in the day, you're definitely seeing some of these moves. I don't trade after the morning session for us. But if you're trading those later in the afternoons, you're definitely around when some moves are happening.
And don't we have news today, right? At like 10 o'clock?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull that up as well here in a second. We had we were supposed to have 8:30 news, I believe, today.
8:30, 9:15 too.
Yep.
But I just
All right, so this is dialed. We'll take that. Morning, Steven.
That always throws me off.
There's that. Let me jump to see what news we got.
Disney Replicanto.
So we got 10:30 news and 11:30 news. 10:30 news and 11:30.
Are those red folders, or is it just like?
I don't believe so. These are on the economic calendar in the Tradeify journal.
Okay.
And was looking like it's nothing crazy.
Here we go. We are
Markets open. Ding, ding, ding. I'm gonna be patient today. Believe it or not, your boy's gonna be patient today. We're waiting for our moves.
Every day and we believe you, okay?
And we believe.
Someone just lost their account.
Huh?
Someone just lost their account. That opening.
None of our people, none of my people should be losing accounts.
Order filled.
Order filled.
That's the best. That one time that G is like, well, okay, we don't go in and order filled. Okay, Moose, what's going on with the R word? Is it gonna go down further and retrace? What do we got?
I don't know. It's been consolidating for a while.
I know, but you're consolidating too. So tell us what you feel.
I wanted to push up, to be honest. Let me see. Yeah, let me look. No, it's gonna. I feel it's gonna come down. The hours down. The 4 hours down. The 4 hour has an EMA at 261. Yeah, I think we're going
down. I would just like to see a flag this morning. I would like to see a flag. Nothing crazy.
I don't think he's gonna wait for it. And like that.
Like, my whole thing is with how the market's been moving lately, right? It is such market manipulation. It's crazy.
Yeah.
So crazy.
I told you. See, you knew it. Sorry. Talking to myself.
Because it's like this massive pump up. Yes, we have the ceasefire, but they're still dealing with everything. I personally did not expect us to pump over what, like 1,000 points or something like that. Like, just straight craziness. Just crazy. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of it, not gonna lie. Morning Niner, morning Travis. I got some guys. I haven't gotten the text yet. That will be coming to my house to deliver a new washer today.
Yeah, you were saying that.
Ready to get that bad boy. It connects to Wi-Fi and everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I'll be able to monitor the load from the phone.
Well, hold on. I have a question. Who's still gonna change the laundry?
Alexa, change the laundry.
What do you mean?
Look, cause I was gonna get a Wi-Fi, like a smart washer and dryer, right?
Yeah.
One of my boys was like, "Oh yeah, how you gonna load it?" I was like, "Yeah, you're right."
I don't know. For me, I'm the opposite. Like I said, I bought the commercial ones, no fancy shit, just overbuilt. Because I just like do one thing. I don't need to have toys out there.
So you know what would be awesome if they made a washer and dryer in the same compartment.
They already have that.
And they made it smart, so this way you don't have to change the clothes.
They already have that.
Yeah,
Yeah, so we were looking at buying one of the all-in-one washer dryers.
Oh, that's awesome. See,
but we chose not to because it takes longer.
Well, it takes longer, and also, like where I used to work, they put them in the medical area to kind of save, on the labor, like you said, because the people are washing their clothes, and it didn't wash as well as like the purpose-built ones, so they ended up taking them out because it was like. They said like they'd have to make like smaller loads to have a completely wash and dry all right, so it would actually end up selling them off at some corporate auction thing.
Yeah, that's why we chose not to, because it wouldn't wash as well or dry as well. Okay. It would take a longer amounts of time. So how you missed that short? It's before 9:45, bro. It's not that I miss. I don't trade before 9:45, brother. I'm excited to see all you Legacy members, the Central Florida folks, at the Traders Legacy meetup
at the Tradeify
on Saturday. It's gonna be a good old time.
Hey, send us address and location, please.
Yep, I'm sending that out today for y'all. It's the one in Lake Mary.
In Idaho, right?
Yep, in Idaho. It's in Idaho.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring my jacket because it's so cold. I'm sure. It might be like 2 weeks of good weather out there. I don't know.
What's up, BP? Good morning, brother.
There he is in the house.
Oh, he's on the chat too. Look at that.
The Colonel. How are you, Colonel?
I'm doing pretty all right.
Pretty all right. I was just looking at YM. It's the Dow's doing some weird stuff this morning. It kind of came back, and now it's kind of being strange again. A little bit, but I was way off, like around 5 o'clock.
What's up, Kenny? That's funny. You got me on that one, bro.
Hey, so BP's coming to the Florida meetup?
I'm not gonna make it, y'all. I'm sorry.
He's lying. He's trying to surprise us. Look at
Well, I may have to have a talk, see if I can buy him a flight. Who knows?
BP is the Florida meetup. You know what I mean? Like, everywhere, he's like going to be the guest speaker.
You guys meet BP in person, you guys will have a riot. You know what I'm saying? You guys would be laughing hysterically. Not at him, but he's just such a funny guy. And he laughs so much. You can say the sky is blue, he'll start giggling. You know what I'm saying? Like, just a good old time. Awesome person.
I really don't have that outlook on life. I think everything needs to be serious, man.
BP, Rob wants to know from the chat, are you doing the strategy today?
I was actually trying to set it up before stream.
Rob, that would be a no. That was his answer. No.
No, I'm trying. Jeez, it's actually more complicated than I thought it would be.
I told you I'll walk you through it.
I know, but technically that would be like later today.
That's true. You're right. All right, Rob, he should be doing it possibly tomorrow. For Full Port Friday.
Oh, Full Port Friday. Now we're talking.
We have that bear flag print right there bringing us down. I'm trying not to even look at it right now because it's so tempting. It is so tempting. But I can't touch it. I cannot touch it yet. I'm looking for clean base hits today. Clean base hits. I'm going to put some money in my Lucid funded accounts and then just work on evals today. Because I'm trying to get fully funded with Lucid and Tradeify, 5 funded accounts per firm, because I want to maximize my allocation with both firms. Because I was doing the numbers, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're all numbers people here. One payout of $2,000 on all 10 accounts, that's $20,000. Mind you, if I'm rotating and copy trading, that's not hard. That's not hard. So I'm like, why am I leaving all this money on the table? You know what I'm saying? That's why I had to ask myself. I totally forgot my glasses there. I got to break out the old faithfuls here. Dang, I haven't eaten season forever. These are going to look like baby glasses on my face.
What version do you use?
You said what version do I use?
Yeah, you can either say version 7, 6.4, 6.3, or 5.1.
Oh, God. I don't even know, bro. I haven't updated my thing in so many years.
All right, we're just going to go with the newest one. We'll see what happens.
Esther, what's going on with the Apex? What's going on with Apex? Travis, BP has SMTs, FVGs, etc. His brain is overpowered with all the terminology of trading. No, he just knows a lot. That's all.
No, he's the Mac Daddy.
Esther, what do you mean they've been ripping people off? Uh-oh. Esther about to spill the tea in the chat.
What happened?
No, something about Apex.
I have desire to do Apex.
Pushing them in live accounts, that's not really ripping them off.
It's just helping them. It's helping them donate their money.
What's up, Brett? Good morning. Oh, and not paying out. Yeah, the not paying out's that's the ripoff for sure. So we did come down here and we just tapped the close from yesterday. 359.50. 359.50 was the close from yesterday. We just came down here and tapped that bad boy. So now we patiently wait. I got 5 more minutes. I got 5 more minutes for me and clear to trade. And your boy's ready to execute. Your boy's ready to get in the markets, print some money. But we're going to be patient and wait. I'm not forcing anything today. Just got to take our time. I got to see what my trainer's going to be having me do today.
What did you do yesterday, by the way, brother?
Right now we're doing only lower body stuff. So yesterday he had me doing like some like shuffles, shuffle drills.
Yeah, the football shuffle thing.
Yeah, the football shuffles. Then we were doing like some step ups. What else did we do? Step ups. I'm trying to remember. He had me doing a couple things. But he's like, this is going to be a new thing for him because he's never had somebody actually get injured and still keep coming back. Like,
well, you have your eye on the prize. I mean, you know what? It's like that makes the difference.
Where like he's trying to reinvent or recreate my plan right now. So I can stay burning the calories, everything like that, putting the work in each day without touching my upper body right now.
Yep. Well, that's, I mean, when I was saying, like, you know what, I know what I would do, that's exactly like the...
Oh!
Whoa!
Did y'all see that?
Yes, I did. What happened?
That was crazy. That was crazy.
Is somebody talking about the...
Wow. Wow. The way that candle just flipped that aggressively... So many people that were trying to go long just got swept.
John, that was like a rug pull right there. Okay, that was reset. I'm gonna speak for Duane right now. I don't like that move. I don't like when the market moves like that.
I don't. It's scary.
I was saving your voice for you.
I appreciate you, Steve. Well, we came down here. We hit the low, 345.25. We're still in the 15-minute range right now because we're building that out currently.
Let's do it. Let's keep going.
Where will we... I got to see where we may end up going here. We have a pivot down there at 22375. Maybe this will be our first big pullback, maybe. Like... Trying to be as patient as possible.
Copy.
We got, look at all these selling wicks on those candles too. That's the craziest part.
Yeah.
You know, you shouldn't be trying to go long when you got those selling wicks.
I don't know. That little jiggle that it did kind of woke me up anyway. So.
Well, glad you're finally awake. Let's move this line down here. I'm gonna leave that right there for now. Yeah, Essa, we don't want sideways. We want ups and downs. No sideways today for me.
We also want flags.
And we definitely want some flags. Algos are in sell mode. Well, the market pumped pretty aggressively over the past like 2 days here. So a slight pullback would be good to let us know that we may continue up. But the pullback's just a nice way to give us some confirmations here. Come on, Betsy. Bitcoin to the moon. Hey, if it happens, it happens. All right, so we just tapped that 21 EMA that was sitting above us here. It is officially 9:45. I got less than a minute here, less than a minute now to be fully cleared to execute trades.
Well, you give us that range if we're in the middle.
That I could do. The low of the range is 345.25, 345.25. And the high of the range is 453.25, 453.25. There's some selling pressure trying to step in there. I got less than 30 seconds here to be cleared. Come on, Betsy. My mindset today is if I have a losing trade, to cut it early, protect capital, and we keep it moving. We're in this like spot right here. We're still below the 21 EMA. 394.25 is that 21 EMA on my 2-minute chart. I either want to see us go reach back up, tap that 21, reject off of it, or we got to get some good momentum. We need something here. Down, down, down. We'll see. For me, I just want to see some momentum. Hey, S-Dub, congrats, bro. Enjoy your rest, brother. Enjoy your rest. That's a bruise.
For my FA part 107, so I can fly. What do you mean, right? I made pictures of it. I turned pictures of it.
BP, what you feeling, bro? What are you feeling? No, I was asking BP what's he feeling.
Because I've still been trying to add the Rankos.
It's a Ninja Renko 8/4. Do you want me to send you you want me to send you a message on what it is?
If you want to, I think I almost have this. Honestly, I'm getting pretty close.
No, because I mean, there's a lot of them that are kind of the same, but this is actually going to get you right exactly what D-Rock has.
Yeah, you could send it to him and send it to me as well, Steve. Just so I have that in my inbox.
I don't know if D-Rock will let you see it.
He sent me something. I ended up downloading that, but I'm just trying to see if I can get it to just turn on.
Sometimes you'll have to save the workspace and then like restart your Ninja.
Okay, let me try restarting it real quick.
Make sure you save your workspace though.
How do you save it?
So go to your workspaces. Hit save as.
Hover and hit save.
Yep, and just hit save as well, so you can make a brand new one, so it won't take you back to like the original.
Oh, okay, I see. Also, these are some great names, Duane.
Oh yeah, it's like early rap albums of the '80s.
You will need a size down because it will automatically put you in at 4 contracts. Just so you know. So when you first make sure you click that button and drop that size. Come on, Betsy. I'm patiently waiting here. I want to take a trade.
That 5-minute chart just is like a massive.
I think it's working.
It's alive.
I'm trying to find a pivot though.
If you have a mouse and you have your pivot points turned on, just click your mouse like the wheel. If it's a button for you, and it'll show you where all the pivot points and everything like that's at. It'll give you the numbers for it.
What's up, guys?
What's up, Mitch?
There he is.
How y'all doing?
Another day in paradise, brother. How about yourself?
We're
Doing
grooving.
pretty good. Doing pretty good. Oh, we got a whole squad in here today. Let's go.
Coming down to this close from yesterday.
How do you zoom in and zoom out?
On the top, there's a magnifying glass where it says zoom in or zoom out. I want to take this short so bad right now.
BP, you can go to the numbers and scroll your mouse.
Yeah, I was waiting for a short before they. I don't know if they're gonna drop it down, then go back up eventually. But
That was a horrible fill. Yeah, I just got tagged in.
Oh yeah, that was like, I looked away and it was still blue.
I closed that. That was weird. I closed it because I did not like how it filled. I don't
Yeah,
care if
do
it
it.
keeps on going.
Well, you can always re-enter. So
That I can, but that was 120 and 170 on 3 accounts. And then it does the drop. Gotta love that. Was it because my copier did that? I'm coming back. I'm coming back. No, it's okay. That's weird. So I'll get ready to take one more trade on this account, just so that way I can make the trading day for it. Need like $30. But as we continue down here, my first target is 291. I would prefer us to bounce back up to the 15-minute range before we continue all the way down here, because only 10% of the time we break out the range and we never go back and touch it. So I want to see the bull step in, push this price right back to that bottom of that 15-minute range. If it wants to listen today, but we know how the market likes to act sometimes. Man, that if I would have stayed in, if I felt more comfortable at the beginning and I would have stayed in, this would have been a nice little payday. But it is what it is. Coming down to that first target, 291's the target.
oh my god, right through that whole number.
This is crazy.
Wait for a retrace and it's not coming. And I'm missing my move.
It's heavy right now.
I figured out how to put a stop loss.
Huh?
I figured it out.
You set your ATM up?
Nope.
Oh, you're doing the on the mouse.
Yeah, you have to put a buy limit, buy stop above price. Wherever your entry is, you put a buy stop, and then you can start dragging it down.
They also like ATM strategies. You can like set up stuff where it'll just be like a template.
Yo, this is so crazy. We just waterfalled.
I'm not even in it. I'm sweating because I'm so mad. It won't.
I'm on a Steam account over here trying to figure out how to use this.
It won't
first
even
before I
retrace,
read.
bro.
Yeah, I don't just want to take it short just because it's going down.
No, it's I mean, it's too far down. It's not standing. I need it up. At least in the more than 2 minutes.
Well, the second target would be 237.25. 237.25. Let's see if we can build us a little bear flag to give us like some confirmation that we're going to continue down here, because you don't want to buy the bottom. I'll tell you that. I've done it before. It's not fun. It never feels good. Let's see if we can get us a little flag here. Take us lower. I'm looking at that 5 minute right now. It is looking somewhat heavy, but I want to see some type of bounce. Niner, I'm jealous of you, fam. I'm jealous, bro. I did not get my fill where I wanted on the trade, so I killed it in the green because I did not want it like being weird. So I just killed it. All right, let's see if we get a little bear flag here. And we may, because we have not gone back to that 15-minute range yet. The low of that 15-minute range is up for grabs still. Let's see how if the Bulls really step in here, or if the Bears is just using that little pump up, that brief one right there, to build us this flag. We have not touched the bottom of that 15-minute range yet since we broke out. So that's in the back of my head, right? That's in the back of my head, me knowing that only 10% of the time we push out the 15-minute range and we never go back to it. All right, gain that little bear flag right there on the 2 minute. Okay.
Might actually be more fun than trading view. It would just be nice if it would tell me like what my stop loss is. I'm not guessing.
Come on. Yep, not liking this price action right here. Let's see if we get the flush through here. If not, I'll kill this early.
You got a minute and a half on that 5 minute.
Thank you, thank you.
And at a minute and a half, it's going to be going into 10 o'clock, so keep that in mind.
Yeah, not liking this price action.
Coming up on 30 seconds to 10.
Yeah, I may get ready to just kill this since that 10 o'clock's approaching. Come on, Betsy. Give me the full flush. No, just stalling right there. Give me the flushy flush. Come on, flush already. No. Still waiting. I may just kill this because it used my entry as a bounce spot, and we don't like that. Yeah, look at that buying wick on that 5 minute. I was not paying attention to that thing. That's not good. And now we're just consolidating right here too. All right, new 2 minute just starting to print. Yeah, I'm gonna kill it. That 5 minutes looking like this may be the roll for the flag, but this is taking forever right now. I got my finger on the trigger. All I had to do is let go of the button. Yeah, I'm out. I'm just waiting to see how this moves.
You gonna buy or sell?
I'm gonna sell and pull back on me.
Yeah. It drew me down $800. I got out. I'm out.
Let's say it might go up a little more before it goes back down on bullish or some T that's trading.
Annoying. I want to see it go up to 357 now.
I closed that. I'm not playing with
I was
that.
fading you boys. I was waiting. I was riding it back up.
That's crazy.
You're riding longs?
Yeah.
That's crazy. It'd be your own people. Be your own people. But there we go. We went back up to that bottom of that 15-minute range. Ugh. I know, Brett. I know. Yeah, I called that too. I'm like, hey, we got to go back to that 15-minute range. I thought we were going to get a little flush because we had a little bit of momentum I was watching. But now that we went up there and tapped it, I would expect us to reject to take us lower.
I should have kept holding that long. That was epic.
Hey, let's go, Charles. Good job, bro. So we just actually pushed through that 21 EMA slightly. That 21 EMA is sitting there at 352. 352. Travis, I was waiting for the move that didn't happen, bro. Not my proudest moment, but it happens. Trust me, I'll be beating myself over not cutting that one early for the rest of the day. No, I'm not in anything right now. Yes, in queue, Charles. In queue. So we're back below the 15-minute range right now. I would honestly want to see us push down a little bit further before I target that first target. But we may try building us a little bull flag right here. But we got to get above this 21 EMA with some conviction. We need some conviction. There's some conviction right there. We still got that previous candle selling wick, so waiting for us to kind of clear that area. Selling pressure, trying to step in here. We're going to see what we get. We're going to see what we get.
Not gonna lie, I kind of wanted to continue climbing higher and target those highs up there.
Well, we got that VWAP up there as well. But we got to get through that close from yesterday with some conviction.
I'm waiting for this thing to pop, not gonna lie. I'm about to just send it to the moon one direction.
I think I've played it round enough. I'm gonna actually swap over to one of my evos.
Okay.
We're moving on with flags now. Let's see.
Dun 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 dun. Just waiting for this big old mo. I hate when it does that little glitch like that.
Come on. Baby.
We got that VWAP above us. That's what I'm trying to target here. And then it just does that. Kill that. Jesus. The joys, the joys. Right back down to that close from yesterday here. Come on, Betsy. I don't like this selling pressure that's trying to hold us right now. I need the bulls to push with conviction, like I said, with conviction. Got that selling wick on that 5-minute candle. Oof. Let's see. Yeah, let me not fight those wigs.
I need to increase size, but hey, I made my first W trade on NinjaBait. Or NinjaBait? I almost said NinjaBait. That's funny.
Good job, bro.
That's hilarious.
Well, congratulations, sir. Pop that cherry. We'll take that. Let's go. How did it feel? That's the question.
It felt very clean, and honestly, trading with Ranka is just, you can like feel the momentum like going with it versus like just watching the candle.
Whoa.
Down.
Be careful. You saw that little spike right there? That's not good. So I may not trade these accounts again. I'm tempted to, because that was actually 370. My leader account only got 250. All the other ones got 370. That was across 9 accounts. So you can feel the momentum, huh, BP? You can feel it.
Yeah, you can definitely. Plus, I mean, you can also look at the market structure too, because like it's just making like lower highs and stuff, and then sweeping out liquidity and then making a new lower low. Now it's like pushing up in a different form. I would have gotten taken out either by stop or closure.
Okay.
Looking at it, which I think it looks cool.
Good job, Brett. Good job, bro. Brett made $5.91 a day.
W's, bro. I closed out for like almost $60, and then I ended up getting 45.
Yeah, the slippage is sometimes annoying. I will say that. Give us a little flaggy flag.
W Rob, man.
Rob, let's go, bro. 1,200 for the day. Awesome, bro. Good job. Let's see we break this yellow line that's been sitting there.
Yo, Duane, I was looking at mine in your stream. You see that white line that's across there? What is that?
This is supposed to be the current open.
Yours is lower than mine, because on my screen it came and tapped the white line.
Yeah.
Rejected.
Interesting. Maybe I do need to do the update. Let's see if we break through that line with some conviction. I want some follow through. There's the yellow line tap, but we want follow through here. Pop up right there. That's not follow through. That's not follow through, boys.
It went halfway down to form the flag.
Come on, momentum. Where you at? Show us what you're trying to do. Are we getting ready to get a little bear flag here on that 2 minute? On that 5 minute, if the bulls push, that would be trying to be like almost a bull flag on the 5 minute. So that's why I'm like just waiting at this point. That's so trash. That's slippage. Well, let me see what we got put on these accounts now. 410, 370s. Not too bad. I do have one account that I may have to like, not full port, but it's like I have like one more day. I gotta double check. One more day to trade it.
Wait, with I've been meaning to ask you, Duane, on Tradeify, for the new 3.0, for the monthly subscriptions, is it a one-time payment, or do you pay one time and then they give you 30 days to pass it? So
It's just a one-time payment.
Okay, so if it takes you 3 months to pass, let's say, then like you could still do that.
Yeah.
Tradeify?
Yep.
Okay,
Where
so
with
they completely,
Apex,
like, updated to like compete with Lucid.
yeah. So we're with Apex with their new stuff, they don't have the subscription, but if you don't pass it in the 30 days, it goes away.
They just deactivate it. It's basically the same thing.
Yep.
It's the power of rebranding.
Which they're trying to compete as well in their own way. Like, hey, you don't keep the account, but you're not getting billed for it either.
How are you feeling, Duane? I feel like we've just been bouncing in this range.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. Not a fan. Yeah, we need. Yeah, I'm not feeling it right now. Like, I feel like this could be a little bear flag, but we don't have the momentum right now. I need momentum in either direction. On that 5 minute, that's looking like it's trying to show us a bear flag. but I'm not trying to trust it. We got that 21 EMA right above us, acting as a magnet. There's the 21 EMA tap right there. We're back in that 15-minute range.
What the hell just happened?
Exactly. That's why I said I wasn't trusting it. What's up, Adam? We got that big selling wick on that 2-minute candle there and on the 5-minute. But we need momentum. I will not click that button until I see strong momentum following the flag. Just saying.
Let's see your fingers. Are you sure you're not near the mouse?
My hand's on the mouse, but my cursor is nowhere near the button, so we're good.
It's on the chart, not hovering over by.
Exactly.
Yeah, but this could be a dummy screen. You know how it works.
A dummy screen? That's crazy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
They'll be using Duane as a signal.
Let's go.
I was like, Duane can read the momentum. I'm still trying to understand. And I just went long because Duane went long.
All right, just close that right there. Quick little bit added. And honestly, I may just keep clicking some buttons on these accounts today. Because right now, 660, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts with 660 to 670. My other couple accounts have $700 a piece in 3 of them.
Hey, Duane, does your orders ever, like your quantity of orders ever just like start moving? Because like I swear I set mine to 2, then I set it to 4, and then now.
No, so what it was.
But you're,
Do you have an ATM turned on right now or no?
Nah.
Okay, then you must have rolled your mouse, the little knob, and that upped it.
Okay.
So make sure you click off of the amount for your contract size. And I think that's my stuff getting delivered. Yep. Yeah, my girl's in the pool. Well, she's gonna have to go. Hey, baby, I think the people are here. Huh. I'm glad you want to jump up. I'm on stream, baby. What we got going on? Yeah, you need to jump up. People are here. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry you gotta get up. I love you too. Man, she has such a hard life sitting next to the pool in her bikini. And people are here to deliver a brand new washer. Must be rough. All right, so right now, I low-key want to target that VWAP. I'm tempted. I'm
377. Where is your VWAP?
386 ish.
Okay,
386.50.
Mine's at 377. Lucky me.
I need some more momentum. I want some more momentum. Let's see here. Are we trying to build us a little bull flag? Yeah. No, just put it in the garage. Come on, Betsy. I'm waiting. I'm waiting right now. I think I see, but don't follow me on this, folks. Don't follow me.
He's letting me know.
Not seeing any flaggies. Duane would like to see a flag, but he's straight DGAF today. He's just going for it.
I pre-ran this one. We're going to see if it works. No, I don't like how it pulled back like that. I want that VWAP tap. That's what I'm aiming for.
I'm sure you can get the next high.
I close. I'm a wuss right now. I'm a wuss. I closed out. I close. I'm like, let me just lock in this green. Let me just lock it in. So my leader account got 790. All my other accounts are at 825. 825.20. Oh, what did I just click? What's that?
Blocks and flags together on Rankos, because I was looking at them and it looks like it's kind of respecting them.
Respecting what?
Such fast time frame. I was saying Rankos and order blocks. With mixed with flags.
Let me clean up some of my Tradeify accounts because I closed the trade on those right at my $1,000 mark. Let's see if we get some momentum. If I can clean these up just slightly. If not, I'll be real quick on the trigger, close out. We're just getting so close to that VWAP where I'm like, it has to swipe it.
Yeah, my VWAP is at 77.
So we're real close to yours then.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's drag this line up on this 5-minute chart. Put that right there. Like with your VWAP at the 77, that kind of has me like slightly nervous because I don't want to target the VWAP on my chart.
Well, I mean, I'm thinking the same thing in my head because it's like if it clears my VWAP and okay, it went through and then it hits that, it's kind of bounces back, so it's crazy.
Yeah, it's too late for me now. We almost tapped my VWAP. Travis, so far so good, bro. Another day in paradise. We put money in some accounts. I lost money in some accounts. We live to fight. That's all that matters. So we just tapped my VWAP. We pushed through it slightly, then came right back down here.
It's gonna launch like the space shuttle, baby.
Well, hopefully. If not, I'm closing. Yeah, no. I need these bulls to step in right here and push it up for this flag. I kind of pre-ran it, but I'm not liking the selling pressure. Well, there's that. $20 more minutes. I'm done trading for the day. What a day. What a day. I'm tired, boss. I feel like I got work today. I'm not going to lie. Your boy got work today. I put money in 9 accounts. I lost money in 4 accounts. So, slightly annoyed with myself today.
Yeah, but I mean, you just jumped in a little early. That move is going to happen. You know in your heart that it's going to erase all that pain.
No, I know.
Like, just get your hand ready. Is your finger still working?
Nope, my finger is not working right now. It's done.
Oh, no.
I got to hold the finger back from clicking at this point. Because I put 2 funded accounts in some extreme drawdown. So I'm going to have to baby step that thing tomorrow. Like probably drop it down like 1 contract just so that way I don't risk too much.
No full port Friday.
No full port Friday. Well, maybe on some evals. Watch this be it.
I sent you a message, by the way, Steve.
Okay, cool.
Dang, he didn't even send me a message, Steve. He sent you a message. Have a good one, Rob. Enjoy your workout, fam.
Oh, cool. Thank you very much. Yeah, I could see the correlation too. Yes.
Yeah,
That's
so that's what I was
interesting.
thinking to myself. I was like, I wonder if it's like you can use that on Rankos too, because theoretically it's fractal, so time is fractal, so the movement should technically still be legit.
No, I mean to see a telegraph like that, definitely. I'll definitely thank you for that. That is like a revelation I want to check out. Duane, it's ready to rock and roll right now.
I close. We tapped that VWAP again. Brett, yeah, he was on one of the traders hangouts a couple nights ago. That's pretty solid. But I don't like having red accounts.
Well, you're gonna fix one right now with this next trade. It's gonna go to Greenland.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
I'll keep trading on these Apex accounts. I'm not going back to my Lucid till tomorrow because those are funded that I put myself in some drawdown in. So no. But it is kind of crazy, right? So pretty much on 9 of my accounts, I put $1,000 in them. That's kind of cool. We're through that VWAP.
We're gonna go to that whole number, man.
We got the middle of that 15-minute range sitting at 39925. Talk about close to that whole number.
Thank you for calling out the middle.
No, you're welcome. We gotta stay away from diddling that middle. That's the only way we can survive in these markets.
Right now.
She looks like she wants to push. She looks like she wants to push right now, and I'm slightly tempted. We get through that 400 level with some conviction. I need conviction, boys. We need some conviction. I'm ready to put some more money in these accounts. We're right here in the middle of this 15-minute range, right in the middle here. Let's push through it. Let's see how we react on that 400 level. Like it wasn't even there. That 400 acting like it wasn't even there. Let's see if we come back down, retap that 400.
Build us a flag.
Build us a bull flag, which would be amazing right now. Try and make a couple dollars. All right, tapping that middle of the 15-minute range. Let's see if we use that support here. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. We go through my yellow line with some conviction. I'm in.
And that yellow line is pretty damn close to. Like you're wearing it like a top hat. Like there's no like.
Don't judge me, Steve.
That shit's like pulled down over.
He's like, that's not even away from the candle. You put it below the candle. All right, middle of the 15-minute range once again here. Want to see some momentum. We need momentum here. I do not like taking trades close to the middle of the 15-minute range here, but if this bull flag has solid momentum, I'll take it. It has to have the follow through. It has to have everything. 9K a day is too much power for me. Brett, but that's the green side. I lost on 2 funded accounts like $1,700 a piece. So it sounds good, but you also got to put those losses in there as well. So if it was just a clean 9K, yeah, way too much power. Let's see if we get it. We're tapping my yellow line since it's like right on top, but we need some follow through. Look at those buying wigs. Ooh. Come on. Give me the mo. That's not giving me mo. We're right on my yellow line. I'm watching it like a hawk right now.
I'm trailing. I got into a long.
You don't sound too thrilled about it.
I just tagged myself out, so hopefully we'll see what happens. I gotta learn on not cutting me so early.
Well, that's why I watched the Renkos.
New 5-minute candle.
New 5-minute candle. Just got this one. Add another $100 to it. Let's see how we're looking now. Hot diggity dog.
BP's a Mac Daddy.
We got 10 more minutes for 11. 10 more minutes for 11 o'clock here. We're going to see what happens. I'm getting off probably right at 11. Gotta handle some stuff before I go work out. Who knows what he's going to do? My trainer was trying to kill me yesterday. I told him, like, don't do that again type deal. He had me on after we were doing legs, he had me on the stair climber for a minute at level 8. Jump off that right to the incline treadmill. Hey, baby.
Yes. I love it.
Huh? Do I have cash? My bad. I totally forgot. Let's see if that's on here. You guys know to be taking it out.
I was so close to take that too.
They said euros? You want euros? I got euros.
Come on, Bessie.
You know, I was in drawdown there for a little bit, boys. I got a little bit chopped, but we back to only being down $6.50.
That's why he was so quiet. You know what I'm saying? He was real quiet. He's like, let me act like I'm not in the room right now because I'm doing stuff I shouldn't be doing.
I was muted. I was just locked in because on my sim trading, my account, it's up. Like, I should have entered, honestly, when I entered on my sim account. So that sucker's up like $900. But on my actual account, I was not in. I was kind of waiting, being a chicken, you know. But now we back in the game for now.
Hey, we'll take that. I'm like I said, I'm gonna be beating myself up today on my trading performance. Not happy with how I traded today.
Well, you
whatsoever.
Can do a video on that later. Meanwhile, let's talk about your gym life. Hey, what? And you could say it off the air if you don't want to say it on. But what gym do you, what building do you go to?
It's a brown and tan building.
Okay, listen, sucker. I'm talking about like the name of the gym, but I mean, if you don't want to say it, so you won't have like groupies over there. That's
I'm not going to put the name of the gym I go to since it's a more private gym. I'm not trying to have like you guys like swatting me. You know what I'm saying? I don't need someone swatting the gym while I'm working out.
Oh,
You're gonna have a fan club, Duane. We're all gonna show up. We're gonna be like, come on, Duane, pump that weight, Duane. You got this.
And I'd be like, absolutely not. I'm going home. Like, listen, working out with the trainer is hard enough. I don't need people trying to like sit on the side. Yeah, you can do it. I'm like, no, I can't. Like, my trainer is so funny. He'll try to like motivate me. He's like, bro, you're crushing it. You got this. Let's go. I'm like, no, I don't. I don't got this. I know I don't got this.
Hey, don't you train at Kentucky Fitness Center?
Actually, I work out at KFC. I picked that chicken up from my mouth. That's it. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, you sucker. I was not gonna fanboy you at the gym. I just was wondering because I'm somewhat familiar with some of the places down there, so I was just wondering if I've ever been there.
Well, for you, Steve, we're the 7-Eleven over there by Brantley.
Yeah.
Where the kids, all that stuff, it's right behind it.
Oh, okay.
Is Moose still in this thing right now?
Yeah, Moose still in here. Playboy still in here.
Bro, I was just moving my feet, bro, and I realized how sweaty my feet were because I was in that trade.
That is crazy. I don't want to hear about sweaty feet. That's craziness. Like, y'all need to put some socks on.
Duane's gonna put some socks on and get some sweaty feet.
I'm dead.
Kick it down.
Whoa, that's actually sick.
What do you got? What's your new revelation?
I didn't realize that Ninja Trader had a reward system, and you can change it to like just automatically like know your RR.
Yeah, well, that ATM strategy, you can get really deep into that. You can do like trailing stop losses, multiple. It's a lot of good stuff.
Crazy.
Oh,
Dwayne
VWAP
definitely
tap.
put me on. I don't know. I think I'm about to be the ultimate scalper.
The ultimate scalper.
No, yeah, that's Moose.
Yeah, I'm glad I got that one. I did. Okay.
Moose the barber.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's push the sucker back up so Dwayne can have a green trade on this move.
Like, I'm getting ready to kill this.
Nah, she's coming back at you, bro. She's coming back. She's coming back.
I don't like when the X tries coming back.
Oh my goodness.
We don't have X's, we have Y's.
I was gonna say the X that's coming back is your wife in a sense because she transitioned from being the X to the wife.
Oh my goodness. I have an ex-wife, and it isn't all it's cracked up to be. I'll tell you that.
We're just using the wrong strategy at the time.
Hey, I got the right one now, so that's good.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, my wife now is awesome.
Come on, Betsy. Just let me get out of this. Like, I don't even care about. Let me do a break even.
She's gonna pump. You got this. You got this.
Like Houston, start the countdown.
Come on.
No, it slowed too much.
I was busy hunting down all the people that got stops or whatever around this area or something.
Let's see. We should get a slight push here. Hopefully, if
Wait,
not,
continue pumping back up. So they're rolling over.
yeah, that selling pressure, what it just did on that Renko bar, I do not like.
But we're right at the middle, you know what I mean? We're diddling in the middle.
It's just gonna be a long trade, to be honest. It doesn't roll over, which hopefully pumps because that's what it looks like. It wants to just continue, but let's just go make a phone call to Daddy.
Give me some conviction, Bulls. Let's go.
Pump it.
Pump it. Pump it.
I don't even care about being green on this. I just want to get out.
Oh, you care about being green, the power of your words. He wants green. He wants green.
Green is the sign of life. Look at the leaves, man.
Come on.
Hey, BP, you got a ES analyzation, whatever the word is called.
I'm gonna be real honest with you. I have not looked at anything else today. I'm out here looking at different possibilities for the Rankos.
But man, that's amazing because it's like, you have this tool and you're like adapting it to your style, and you might come up with like the fucking, like that's when you get the mojo. You know what I mean?
Right.
There we go. Let's go, Dwayne. Let's go. You had it. Pump it back up. Pump it back up. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Dwayne's in the green.
Let's see. After we sweep this high, though, I'd be careful because I feel like this is where they'd want to form the next order block to come down.
Talking about.
Way too much. Way too much. I'm a sucker today. Your boy's a sucker today.
What's your heart rate like, Dwayne?
I think my feet were sweating there.
This YouTube stream is sponsored by Dr. Scholl.
Well, on the horizontal, there you go. For the lost money in fundeds, which is annoying, but it is what it is, and the eval. But everything else is decent. Everything else is decent. It's 11:01 too. Crazy. What's going on here? Oh, did I pause it? Oh yeah, I paused it. I'm like, what's happening? Brett, you got 4:30. Oof. Yeah, I need to see some more momentum to get up there, fam. Are we probably gonna get there? Yes, but I'm done trading. I've clicked way too much today. Way too much today. BP, so since you came over to the dark side, right? The dark side, I'll say, how does it feel so far?
It feels pretty good. I do like Rankos a lot, actually. It's pretty interesting to watch the momentum play out, and then like seeing other trading models also kind of like play out here is interesting as well, because how like time is fractal. But I like it.
There's the pump. There's the pump.
Do you have a Windows or a Mac?
And there was that bull flag on that 5 minute. We had a bull flag on that 5 minute. I wasn't even paying attention to the 5.
Do you have a Windows or Mac?
I have a Windows.
Sorry, Moose.
Oh boy.
Like,
Brett, did you get out? Because we hit that 430 and some.
For the high?
It's tempting to click the button again, not gonna lie. But
Let's go, boys. Let's go.
You gotta see this next setup. Come on, you can't walk away from this. You'll be doing plenty of like lower body later.
don't remind me.
Hey, that was a 1200 move on my sim there. So I started a new sim just to practice, right, boys? And just for consistency purposes, 0 negative trades on this account so far. And we're up 5K on it. That's pretty good for me, because most of the time, I'd be down a lot, you know what I'm saying? So that's pretty good. Little practice moment, you know?
Yep, absolutely.
What size account do you have, BP?
Right now I've just got a bunch of 50Ks that I'm trying to work on.
Nice.
Forget any pullback at this point. It's going to be like a tiny pullback. But at this point, we should just ride right up.
We're gonna get ourselves a nice flag because that's what Duane would like to see. Look at
That
him.
I would.
He's looking intently.
I'm playing too much today. I need to quit.
But he's looking. Look at him. He's like, you see that.
See, pump from here. Come on, baby. Do it for Duane. Do it for Duane. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Yeah.
I close. I gotta quit.
Oh.
I gotta quit, boys. I'm not in it right now. Like, we're winning, but it's not a comfortable win.
Hey man, I was in that with you.
How much was that, Duane?
Like 100 something bucks added or something like that.
Green is green.
But that's over $1,400 on 9 accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, $1,400 on 11 accounts. I stand corrected.
1,400 each.
Huh? Yeah. So there you go on the screen right there. Some are 1510, 1470. But I need to stop. I need to stop.
Yeah, but look, it's making a flag, and you like a flag. So finish with one final trade.
No, I'm done. That was the final trade. I'm done. Your boy is calling it quits.
All your fans online that are watching right now, you should let them decide.
No, I'm done. I gotta get off anyways. I gotta get ready. I gotta get my protein shake, drink my banana with some peanut butter, like all that stuff. Get ready for the gym. So, market makers, appreciate y'all today. Y'all kept me in some trades today. Y'all helped me a lot. YouTube, hopefully you enjoyed today's morning session. We'll be back tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, to trade live. Not trade, actually. To talk Traders Hangout. Jeez, I can't even talk right now.
The Asian session now.
No, we are not trading the Asian session. We're going to be talking trading, talking life, everything in between. And I will be doing the post in the community as well in the next couple hours with all the details for Saturday. For everyone that's coming to the Traders Meetup in Central Florida. Looking forward to seeing you guys. Let me know on that post who's coming or who can't come. Just so that way we have a head count, because I reserved a certain amount of area for a certain amount of people. So I want to make sure we got enough. If not, I'll just get some more. But with that being said, family, I'm getting out of here. Yeah, I will catch y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout.
All right, brother.
All right,
have a good
everyone.
one,
You
guys.
have a good
All right,
day.
market makers.
See everybody.
See you
Have a good
guys.
one.
Ciao.
Brett, much love, brother. Everybody on YouTube, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe in these markets. And I will catch y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout. Be